Alright guys, today I want to talk about some skincare favorites that I've been enjoying. I use these particularly during the day. So I'm going to walk you through like prep and kind of talk to you a little bit about the products that I've been really enjoying. I have stopped washing my face in the morning completely and I'm trying something different and you guys are going to laugh at me. You're going to laugh. So Salma Hayek recently said in an interview that she never washes her face, she cleanses it with Rosewater. And she has great skin. She says she's never had any work done or anything. I feel like I believe it because in pictures where they're not like edited, like you can see expression lines and everything, and she's a gorgeous woman, but her skin is amazing. So then I saw people on TikTok talking about Rosewater and I was like, all right, I'm gonna try it. So you don't need anything special, I think you just need Rosewater. I got this at TJ Maxx and you could see it was $7. And it's like Turkish Rosewater. It says ingredients 100% Rosewater. So what I do in the morning is I'll get up. If I do like any kind of treatments at night and there's any like residue left, like I'll just a little bit of water, but what I've been doing is I just take this and I do a couple of sprays on my face. That's like how I like cleanse it and prep it, and I've been really liking it. I feel like it doesn't dry my skin out because sometimes when I wash my face because my skin is dry, it feels tight. So it doesn't dry it out or anything. And I like it and it's got a pleasant scent to it. Then I have been trying for a few weeks now, and this has fallen into like the rotation that I like. This is from a new, like a K-Beauty. It's made in Korea and it's from a brand, it's called Regelica. So it's like a two-step kind of thing. So you have the renewal serum and then you have the anti-aging cream. So this duo you use at night and during the day. I sometimes do retinol at night, so I would never stack these two up on the same night. But I was trying it out during the day and I like it. So this has the serum. It has an exfoliation to it, an antioxidant, and it helps to like balance. So it has squalane in it. It has centella in it. It has 8% mandelic acid, so that's gonna gently exfoliate the skin. So while it's exfoliating, it's also going to help like repair the moisture barrier, and it's gonna be gentle. So think of this as like a nature's retinol or plant-based retinol. Sometimes if your skin is too sensitive to retinol or it dries quick, it's good to start off with an option like this. It's gonna be more gentle on the skin. Then I follow up with the anti-aging cream, and it has, I can't say this word, bucoyl and niacinamide in it. I love this little key. It's got seaweed extracts. It's got 5 ceramides. I do want to mention I did receive these through Skeepers, which is like a platform that you can sign up for if you do like makeup reviews. You can sign up for it, and if you get approved, you can get product to review. So I think it's a cool way to try new products if you're a content creator as well, or you just like to review things. Even if you have like a Instagram page, you don't have to have like a huge following. I think you just have to have good engagement. But I did try these out. They did gift me these and I like it so far. It feels really nice on the skin. I have noticed my skin like brighter and the texture's softer. But I don't want to say it's just because of this. I do like this. That's why I want to talk about it. I do treatments on my face as well, like at-home treatments. For my under eye cream, I love this one. And this is the one of many products that I love from True Botanicals. This is the Resurrection Radiance Eye Cream. It has a very buttery texture, so a little bit goes a long way. Sometimes I warm it up on the back of my hand and then I like press under my eyes. At night, I'll kind of like go in a little bit more. Really good moisturizer, and it just quickly like gets my skin under my eyes nice, soft, and I can put makeup on top of it. Lip gloss or lip balm is gonna be my Jason Wu. This is amazing. It feels so lightweight and so moisturizing. Sometimes I just put it on and like kind of whatever. And it's so funny because I've tried the Rhode lip gloss and I prefer this one 1,000 times over it. The Rhode one isn't bad. It's a little more sticky, like old school lip gloss. This is not sticky at all. It's moisturizing. It just feels amazing. And last but not least, SPF. With these treatments, with the Regelica that I mentioned before, with retinol, any kind of vitamin C or actives at night, you have to use SPF. My favorite to reach for has been the Versed. I like this one a lot because it doesn't give a white cast. It gives you the protection you need from the sun. The color is kind of like it's like a peachy yellow. More like a peach. And when you blend it out, it doesn't like alter your skin color or anything, and it leaves your skin nice and glowy, which I love. But that's kind of like, because it's a mineral sunscreen, any mineral sunscreen is gonna give you a nice glow, but I love the price point on it, and I love that it doesn't irritate my skin. And that's it. That's been my skincare routine for the last couple of weeks. I've been enjoying it. I like it. I feel like those products are like my baseline, and when I put makeup on top, my makeup sits really nice. Now there are days where my skin is drier and I reach for other things, and if you guys are curious about that, like those days where like my skin is not cooperating, let me know. I will make that video for you guys. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in my next one.